Let's get started. First, open Steam. Go to your library and locate Counter-Strike 2. Right-click the game and select Properties. Open the Installed Files tab and click Browse. When the game folder opens, go to Game. CSGO. CFG. Inside the CFG folder, locate the AutoExec file. Delete the AutoExec file. This file can sometimes prevent the game from launching after a major update. Once you've removed it, launch the game and check if the problem has been resolved. Solution 2. Reset the compatibility settings. If the issue continues, return to Steam. Right-click Counter-Strike 2 and select Properties. Open Installed Files and click Browse. Now open the following folders. Game bin, Win64. Locate CS2.exe. Right-click it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. If Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 is enabled, disable it. If Disable Full Screen Optimizations is enabled, disable it as well. Also, make sure Run this program as an administrator is unchecked. Click Apply, then OK. Now launch the game again and see if the issue has been fixed. If the game still won't launch, make sure your graphics driver is fully up to date. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the NVIDIA app, click the Drivers tab, then click Check for Updates. If a newer driver is available, download and install it. After the installation is complete, try launching the game again. Solution 4. If the problem persists, completely close Steam. Now open File Explorer. Open Local Disk C. Then open Program Files x86. Open the Steam folder. Inside the Steam folder, locate the User Data folder. Delete the User Data folder. Don't worry, this only removes Steam cache files. It won't delete your games or your saved progress. However, you'll need to sign back into your Steam account afterward, so make sure you know your Steam password. Once you've signed back in, launch Counter-Strike 2 again. That's all there is to it. One of these solutions should fix the issue and allow Counter-Strike 2 to launch normally after the latest update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.